Next we are making a bear. First we are drawing out the face and the body of the bear. After that we are detailing the body and the face by giving him eyes, nose and mouth, and it's done. Next we are making a duck. First we are drawing the face and the body of the duck in the pond and detailing it. Thanks for watching. Next we are making a bear. First starting by the face and then we are detailing the face with eyes, ears and the cute mouth, and then we are making the body of the teddy bear. It looks like that he is going to the school sadly. Next we are making an elephant. For that first we need to make the body of the elephant and the tail of this elephant. After that we are making the teeth and the cute toes of this elephant, and then we are gonna detail the body by making eyes and ears of both sides, and then we are making the tail of our elephant and it's ready.